What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. 2 videos in a week. I believe that's a new record for me. Today I'm going to be working on the battery box in this 49 Chevrolet truck. The customer wants to use the original battery box, and the bottom part of the battery, the battery box has some rust in it, so I'm going to remove the bottom part of the battery box and cut a new piece of metal and get that all fitted in, so it'll hold the battery and everything will be nice and secure. Alright, here we are. As you can see, the whole bottom part of the battery box, the original factory battery box, is pretty well shot. Alright, you can see here on the bottom of this battery tray, it's got like these rivets that are holding this piece of metal right here into place. I'm just going to grind these here off with a flat disc and punch them out of there and remove this piece of metal, and then I'm going to make a new piece to go in it. There we go. Got it broke out. I've got to drill 4 holes, break the metal right here. This is probably like 16 gauge metal here. It's pretty rigid. I don't think it's going to need anything. I may try to bead-roll a little something another into it just to stiffen it up some more, but I don't think this is going to have any trouble holding the battery up at all. Here's something I picked up from heating and air days with my dad. We used to build a lot of metal boxes, bases for units to sit on. If you'll take and just put a light X in the metal with the metal brake, it gives that metal a ton of strength. So I don't know how good you guys can see that in the picture there, but I put a light X in the metal here just to give it a little more strength. There it is, guys. I need to just drop the bolts in it, make sure everything's going to line up and bolt in. Then I'm going to put some paint on this piece, and I believe I'll call that done. Got some paint on it, guys. It's all in place, bolted in solid, and doesn't look too bad. I'll give you a top view in just a second. Here it is from the top, all bolted in. Guys, thanks for tuning in to today's video. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let your friends know, show them the videos, give me a thumbs up, let me know you like what I'm doing. If you're interested in seeing more on this project, comment down below, let me know, or hit the like button. That keeps me motivated to keep making more videos. I appreciate all you guys tuning in and the ones that are commenting. Let me know about the sound and the video quality as well. Thank you.